Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix slow downloads on Steam. Alright, let's begin. If you're experiencing slower download speeds than expected on Steam, the first thing to check is your download region. To do this, click on the Steam menu in the upper left corner and select Settings. Then, click on Downloads and look for the Download Region section. This is where Steam connects to different data centers for downloading files. The closer the data center, the faster the download speed. If you're experiencing slow speeds, try changing the server region to one that's closer to you. Next, make sure there are no bandwidth limitations. It's also important to check Allow downloads during gameplay and uncheck Throttle downloads while streaming to avoid limiting your download speed. Now, open the Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Click on the Performance tab and then the Resource Monitor button in the upper right corner. Here, you can see which apps are using your network. If any unnecessary apps are consuming bandwidth, right-click on them and select End Process. Be careful not to end any essential Windows processes. Once you've done that, restart Steam and you should notice a significant improvement in your download speed. So that's basically how you can fix slow downloads on Steam. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.